In the previous lecture, we discussed about discriminant and its condition for the quadratic equation. Now we have a question of exercise 1b, that is x squared plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. First of all, we have to check the discriminant of this question, that is either it is perfect square or not. D equals to b square minus 4ac. So a here is 1, b is 4, c is equals to 1. So now b equals to 4 whole square minus 4 1 and 1. So b equals to 4 is 16 minus 4. So what we will have here, we will have discriminant is 12, which is greater than 0, but it is not a perfect square. So it is not a perfect square. So it will be solved by quadratic equation. So what is the so it will be solved by quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? X square minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So now we will put the values in the following formula. We will have minus 4 plus minus, whenever we solve this, we will have, here is 12 divided by 2. So now what we will have, minus 4 plus minus, the root of the 12 will be 2 under root 3 upon 2. So x is equals to, we will take 2 as a common, so 2 minus 2 plus minus under root 3 upon 2. 2 under 2 will cancel each other. So we will have minus 2 plus minus under root 3. Here is the answer. Now we have another part of question number 1, that is 3x square plus 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. First of all, we have to check whether it is perfect square or not in the form of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So a equals to 3, b equals to 6 and c equals to minus 1. So what we will have, b is equals to 6 whole square minus 4, 3 and minus 1. So d will be equals to 36 plus 12, that is 48, and 48 is not perfect square. So what we have to do, we will use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to minus 6 whole square plus minus, as we know b square minus 4 is c, we already found out, that is 48 upon 2 into 3. So x is equals to minus will not be here square, it will be 6 plus minus 48. The root of the 48 will be 4 under root 3 divided by 6. So x is equals to, we will take 2 as a common, minus 2, we will take 2 as a common. So what we have here, minus 3 plus minus 2 under root 3 upon 6. So what we will have, 2 under 2, 2 3s are 6. So x will be equals to minus 3 plus minus 2 under root 3 upon 3. That is the answer. To question number 2, part A, that is x square plus 5x is equal to 21. So now we have to simplify it first. X square plus 5x minus 21 is equal to 0. So first of all, what we have to do, we will find the discriminant of the following question, that is b is equals to b square minus 4ac. So a is 1, b is 5 and c is minus 21. So d equals to 5 whole square minus 4 and minus 21. So d equals to 25 plus 84. So what will we have? D is equals to 109. So it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. So we will use quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus v plus minus v square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equals to, we have value that is 5 minus 5 plus minus, we already found b square minus 4ac, that was equals to 109 upon 2. So 1. So what we have, x is equals to minus 5 plus minus 109 upon 2, that is the answer of the question. Now we have another part, that is 10x square minus 12x Now we have another part, that is 10x square minus 12x is equal to 15. First of all, we have to rewrite it into the quadratic equation form, that is 10x square minus 12x minus 15 is equal to 0. So first of all, we have to check that the equation is perfect square or not. So we will use discriminant form, that is b square minus 4ac. So a equals to 10, b equals to minus 12 and c equals to minus 15. So d equals to minus 12 whole square minus 4 10 and minus 15. So d will be equals to 144. We will multiply 4 into 10 and 10 40 into 50 minus plus it will be 600. So d equals to 754, which is greater than 0 but not a perfect square. So what we have to do, we will use a quadratic formula. So which is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we will put the value of x is equal to minus 12 minus 12 plus minus b square minus 4ac. We already by read, that is 744 divided by 2 into 10. So x equals to minus plus it will be 12 plus minus, so it will be 186 divided by 20. So further we will solve. It will be 2 we will take 2 as a common. So 2 is here, it will be 6 plus minus under root 186 divided by 20. 2 1 the 2 2 times the. So the answer will be 6 plus minus 186 divided by 10. Here is the